Hi everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Tanya and I will be really happy if you can take a moment and subscribe to the channel below. Today in this video, I will be sharing my honest articleship experience at a mid-sized firm. And if you are a CA student and you are starting your articleship or somewhere in between, or you want to know what the work life looks like at a CA firm, then this video is for you. After completing almost 3 years of my articleship, I decided to make a video about my honest experience, the good, bad, and everything in between. I'll walk you through my experience in the statutory audit of a listed entity, concurrent audit, statutory audit of the banks, and also the finalization of books of manufacturing and trading concerns of like a sole proprietorships, partnership firms, and tax audit seasons, and also how I balanced my studies along with the work, and yes, the mistakes I made, the lessons I learned, and what I wish I knew on the first day of my articleship, and everything related to articleship. So let's just get into the video. Then let's talk about the concurrent audit of the banks. So the concurrent audit is like the ongoing audit of the transactions at a banking institution on the real time basis. So I got to understand the banking terminologies like the cash credits, overdraft, NPAs, loan sanctions, and the various types of various types of schemes under which the accounts are opened, and loans and advances and everything. I understood how the auditor has to report using Finacle and ethics, and also I got to understand the drawing power calculations, the loan disbursements, and housing loans, vehicle loans, gold loans, and everything one needs to check at a concurrent audit. In concurrent audit, we checked the high value transactions, the loan documentations, and like the loan sanctions, pre disbursement, post disbursement, and insurance valuations. And then we checked the KYC compliances, the account operations कि कोई account मतलब dormant तो नहीं है, मतलब डॉर्मेंट था तो अभी उसका क्या स्टेटस है, एंड करेंटली जो अकाउंट्स हैं उनमें क्या है, इंटरेस्ट रेट्स वगैरह, एंड दी इरेगुलर ट्रांजैक्शंस इफ़ एनी, और एक्सपेंसेस वगैरह भी बैंक्स के सब चीज़ चेक होती है इन अ कॉन्करेंट ऑडिट. If you have ever done a concurrent audit, then hit the like button, and don't forget to share your experience in the comment section. So statutory audit of the banks are a completely different thing. One has to, do a lot of work in the limited time that is given to a statutory auditor. My first outstation audit was the statutory audit of the bank. I have shared a complete series of like 3-4 videos where you can see how the experience looks like, and the link would pop up somewhere, so tap and watch, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. So in the statutory audit, the work areas will be understanding the advances verification, the NPA, like the status of account standard, substandard, NPAs, doubtful, and then the documentation verification की लोन एडवांसेस वगैरह के लिए प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंटेशंस हैं या नहीं, कैश रिटेंशन लिमिट्स भी चेक होती हैं, एंड देन द लॉन्ग फॉर्म ऑडिट रिपोर्ट, उसमें काफ़ी सारे पॉइंट्स होते हैं दैट ऑडिटर नीड्स टू रिपोर्ट अबाउट, तो उसके हिसाब से चेकिंग होती है. देन यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द लॉन्ग फॉर्म ऑडिट रिपोर्ट्स, एंड कि क्या एक ऑडिटर से एक्सपेक्टेड है कि वो चेक करे. And I got the exposure of checking the things very closely, like filling the points in the LFAR, and side by side looking at the documents that one needs to check at a statutory audit. So yes. Next up, I would like to talk about the finalization of accounts for sole proprietorship and partnership firms and a listed company also. I got the exposure to be the part of finalization process for manufacturing and trading concerns. So I performed the vouching verifications, ledger scrutinies, and preparation of the financial statements, and the bank reconciliations, GST reconciliations, and depreciation calculations, and everything. And when we work on the finalization, we get to understand how each transaction, once recorded, impacts the P&L account and the balance sheet, and how eventually things fall into place and that balance sheet matches and everything. Like we have studied in class 11, class 12, and then फाउंडेशन इंटरमीडिएट, लाइक एवरीथिंग मेड सेंस देन कि जो बुक्स में पढ़ा वो लाइक समहाउ इज़ मेकिंग सेंस नाउ. सो yes, finalization of the books improved my understanding about the accounting, GST, taxation, and depreciation calculations, and accrued, outstanding, and profit and loss balance sheet and everything. So it was like a complete package that I got to do in my articleship. Next is the tax audit season and 3CD filing. So this is one of the busiest season of the articleship, and like there is so much to be done in 3CD filing. And yes, there are different aspects and different work that is involved. It can be a separate video wherein I share how we do the things in 3CD, 3CA, 3CB, and everything. So let me know if you want to know any of it in the comment section. And so basically we handled the tax audit assignments, we prepared the form 3CD, we verified everything with the books, and also we checked the related party transactions, TDS compliances, GST compliances, and everything like that. So yes, what I learned in tax audit was that it requires both your accounting and taxation knowledge, and also while preparing the schedules, preparing reconciliations and pointing out the differences and ensuring proper reporting. It showed me the side of the professional chartered accountancy that requires accuracy, reliability, and also the professional skepticism that one needs to have. And yes, the things that I studied in the textbooks now made sense. And yes. Next up, let's understand the queries that I raised as a CA article. So initially I was scared to ask the questions, like to sound inexperienced, and I felt like इतना भी नहीं आता आपको. तो like the confidence come from the knowledge and the experiences. So अभी experience करने का time है, सीखने का time है. So let's just do it. And तो फिर मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछना शुरू किया, एंड आई रियलाइज दैट ऑडिट क्वालिटी डिपेंड्स ऑन द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट यू आस्क एंड यू नो द एक्सपीरियंसेस यू गो थ्रू. सो येस, फिर मैंने क्वेश्चंस पूछना शुरू किया, एंड आई हैव लाइक शेयर्ड अ सेपरेट वीडियो वेर इन आई टॉक अबाउट द क्वेरीज दैट आई रेज्ड एट अ लिस्टेड एंटिटी. एंड सो you can comment down some of the queries that you raised, or anything you would like to know more about the queries, and like I'll be happy to share. So check out the video. And yes.